Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Amazon. So you can cancel physical items or orders that haven't entered the shipping process yet. So make sure your order has not entered the shipping process and you can easily cancel your order. To cancel an order that has not entered the shipping process, first of all, navigate to your Amazon application, or you can also sign up on Amazon.com. In your Amazon, you'll have to first of all go to your orders. So click on You option just right here. Now click on the orders button at the top. Now this will take you to your orders. Here you can simply choose the item that you want to cancel. For example, this is a product that I've ordered. Now as you can see, I have ordered this product and it is yet to be shipped. That means it has not entered the shipping process. Now, what I'll have to do is simply click on the cancel order button just right here. I will see this cancel order button. When I click here, it will take me to this page that says cancel items. Now, if you have more than one item selected, you can simply deselect the order that you don't want to cancel. And if you want to cancel all the items, just make sure this box is checked out. After this, click on cancellation reason and you can choose any kind of reason and click on cancel checked items. Now, when you click on cancel checked items, it will instantly cancel your order on Amazon. As you can see, my order has just been cancelled and it is not appearing in the order field. So that's how you cancel order on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.